In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an analytics tracking script to your Lovable project. This is a simple but important setup if you want to measure traffic, monitor visitor activity, and confirm that your site is receiving live users after deployment. The overall process is quick, and once it's done correctly, your analytics provider should begin collecting data from your website. To begin, get the tracking code script from your analytics provider. This could come from a platform like Google Analytics Plausible or PostHog. In most cases, you'll find this script inside your project or website settings within that analytics tool. Make sure you copy the full script exactly as provided. This code is what connects your site to your analytics dashboard, so it's important not to edit or remove anything while copying it. Once you have the script ready, open your project inside Lovable. Navigate to the correct project where you want analytics to be installed. If you manage multiple projects, just take a moment to confirm you're in the right one before making changes. That small check can help you avoid adding tracking to the wrong site. Next, prompt Lovable with a clear instruction to place the analytics code in the correct location. Use this prompt. Add this analytics script into the head of index.html and then paste in the script you copied from your analytics provider. The key part here is that the script needs to go inside the head section of index.html. That placement is commonly required because it allows the tracking tool to load properly as the page starts rendering. After Lovable makes the update, review the result if possible, and confirm that the script has been added to the head section as requested. This is a good habit anytime you're inserting third-party code, especially for tracking or integrations, because even a small placement issue can prevent data from being recorded correctly. Once everything looks good, deploy your changes. This step publishes the updated version of your site so the analytics script can begin running for real visitors. After deployment is complete, open your analytics dashboard and check for live incoming traffic metrics. Many analytics platforms offer a real-time or live view, which is the fastest way to verify that your installation worked. If you don't see data immediately, give it a little time, since some platforms take a few minutes to start reporting. And that's it. You've now added an analytics tracking script to your Lovable project and verified that it's ready to collect traffic data.